So this is 3-view drawing number 2 for this week. Before starting this one, please make sure you have viewed the 3-view overview drawing. It's posted on YouTube. You want to start with that before you begin any of your sketches. And I'll also ask, since this is number 2, please check on Schoology. I've uploaded the completed 3-view drawing number 1 from yesterday. So please check what it should have looked like. Email me with questions if you have problems with that. But we want to make sure that we're getting better as we go through the week here. So this is our part number 2. So just gonna quick orbit around this little part. So kind of from the top, you have a notch. You've got a little 45-degree cut over here, and then you have this little feature up on here. So this is just in our shaded view. I'm going to take you over to our wireframe with hidden edges. So looking at that, again, always starting from our front view. There's the front view. Here's our bottom left corner. That's where we're going to begin our drawing. So looking at the overall shape, we have along the bottom here, we have these 3 faces we're going to identify. Up on the top view, or the top of the front view, we have this face up here. And we're also going to have this feature back here that's hidden. So looking at that, again, from the front, we have these 3 faces here and this one here, and then we've got a couple hidden lines. This one comes from that groove that goes through on the top. This other hidden line, this vertical one here, comes from the back side of that 45-degree cut that's on there. So you may want to just pause this at this point, go ahead and sketch your front view. Again, not worried about sizes here, just think about proportions and fit it on the piece of paper. Just do your best. You can use a straight edge, you're working on graph paper, plain paper, whatever that is. And so once we're finished with our front view, we'll go over to our top view. Notice there's no hidden lines on this one. It's just the overall outline of the shape, and then you have this little feature up here. So front view or top view is pretty simple. You can pause that and sketch that. Just make sure it lines up. So the left side of your top view, that should line up with your front view. Same thing. It should be the same width as your front view when you're projecting these things around. And we'll go over to our right view. So in our right view, we have these 2 faces here, and if we look at that kind of in 3D, you can see we have that squared off face, then we have this angled face, and then we have this U-shaped face up here. As far as hidden lines, there's just this one hidden line, and that comes from this notch up here. So kind of look, from your top view that you drew, how deep did you draw this notch? It should be similar in size over in the right view. So if you want to pause that at this point and draw your right, again, front, top, and right views all in that order. Just as a side note here, if you forgot, remember it's front, top, and right. This is a totally different part, but this is the orientation that those things should be in on your piece of paper. So you want to start down there in the bottom left-hand corner if you haven't done that already. Again, front view, top view, and your right view. So you're going to take a photo of this when you're all done. You're going to upload that to the assignment in Schoology. I will take a look at it, and I will post the inventor drawing of front, top, and right the following day. Thanks for watching.